Hey YouTube, Garage Boys here. We're gonna show you how to replace the license plate lights on a 2007 Mini Cooper S. Should work for any Mini Cooper type in that same year range, probably between 2004 to 2008. And I already bought the part. I got it from AutoZone. Picked it up. It was $5 plus tax. That's the part number 6418 Sylvania. Process is very simple. All you're gonna need is just a small thin flathead. I'm gonna use this right now, but anything similar to this or a pocket knife can work. So let's get into it. Let me show you. Just come back here, open your trunk, and as you can see here, I'm just gonna work on this side first. This is what your light bulb is, and you're gonna get your pocket knife or your flathead or whatever you have and just stick it in here in this little gap, this little opening. As you can see, just pry it. Just do that exactly what I did. Comes right out. Has basically a clip. Very simple process. Put it on the side, and then this is your light bulb. So what you're gonna do here is just you're gonna do the same thing. It's probably gonna fall. You may want to use both of your hands, but I'm filming, so there you go. And as you can see, this one was burned. As you can see, this one was burned. So I'm gonna just put it right there. I'm gonna get the new one. And to place it process is very simple. You just put one side first and just push it in. That's it. That's it, guys. Very simple. I'm gonna go ahead and do the second one right now. And it's a very simple process. It takes about 1 minute or two. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, if it helped you, please comment, like, share our video, and let us know what you think. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. Take care.